Welcome to Silent Provision. In this YouTube channel, you will learn all about web design, web development, and digital marketing, as well as freelancing tutorials for beginners to advanced. Let's talk about who we are. Well, Silent Provision is a web design and development agency which is based in Bangladesh. We are dedicated to ultimate web solutions and professional digital services. So what you will learn from this channel? Well, first of all, you will learn complete web design and development, step-by-step services, and after that earn money online using your web design and development skills. And another one, complete WordPress theme customization for beginners to advanced. After that, WordPress theme development from zero to hero, and many more. Let's talk about my identity. Who am I? I am Abdullah Shajib, founder and CEO of Silent Provision. I am working as a web developer since 2019. Successfully created almost 150 websites. I will going to share all of my experience with you by this YouTube channel. So let's talk about our mission. Our first mission is, if you don't know how to code or you don't want to do any single lines of code, then our first WordPress theme customization A to Z playlist just for you. We will learn how to create any types of websites such as blog, business, e-commerce, real estate, website, etc. step by step using WordPress. What is WordPress? WordPress is one of the world's most simple and popular content management system, or CMS for short. This means you provide the content while the platform does all the coding and organizing. If you are looking for the right web builder to get your website started, WordPress is the way to go. So let's get started and stay with us. Remember, first you have to learn, then delete L. After that you will earn. Happy journey.